Hello, can I help you?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I heard you might need some help in your shop.
Are you looking for a job?
Yes, sir.
Have you worked before?
No, but I learn quickly.
Why do you want to work?
My family needs money.
Are your parents working?
Yes, but they are struggling. I am willing to do any honest work.
Stocking shelves?
Cleaning. And helping customers?
Yes. Yes. You seem determined.
Yes.
All right.
I am.
Your first day.
It was hard.
Really?
My feet hurt.
That means you worked hard.
I guess so.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
That's good.
Dad, I felt useful today.
Yes?
You have always been useful.
Not like this.
I am proud of you.
Thank you, Dad.
You worked very hard this month.
Yes, sir. Thank you. My salary?
This is for you. You earned it.
I can't believe it.
Why?
This is the first money I have ever earned.